When homeowners in Sumter look for ways to refresh their home's exterior without taking on a massive renovation, slider windows often rise to the top of the list. Clean lines, modern functionality, and wide glass panels make slider windows an excellent choice for boosting curb appeal while also improving comfort inside the home. Whether your house leans traditional or contemporary, slider windows offer a versatile upgrade that blends style with everyday practicality. A sleek, modern look that enhances any exterior slider windows are known for their simple, horizontal design. Unlike windows with bulky frames or complex hardware, sliders create a smooth, streamlined appearance. This clean look instantly modernizes a home's facade, which is especially appealing in Sumter neighborhoods where homeowners value both charm and updated style. Because slider windows sit flush and open side to side, they maintain symmetry and balance on the exterior. This makes them ideal for front-facing rooms, street-facing walls, or anywhere you want your home to look polished and well-designed. The wide glass area also gives your home a lighter, more open appearance from the outside. More glass means more visual appeal. One of the biggest reasons slider windows add curb appeal is the amount of glass they offer. Larger glass panes reduce the visual interruption caused by frames and grids, creating a clean, uninterrupted view. From the street, this gives your home a brighter, more welcoming look. Natural light reflecting through slider windows enhances exterior colors, highlights architectural details, and gives the impression of a well-maintained home. This visual openness can make even smaller homes appear larger and more inviting, an important advantage for homeowners thinking about long-term value or resale. Design flexibility for Sumter Homes slider windows work beautifully with a wide range of home styles found throughout Sumter. For ranch-style homes, sliders complement the long, horizontal lines of the structure. For brick homes or traditional designs, choosing the right frame color or finish allows slider windows to blend seamlessly while still offering a subtle modern touch. Homeowners can customize slider windows with different frame materials, finishes, and glass options to match shutters, trim, or siding. This flexibility ensures the windows enhance, not clash with, your home's existing exterior design. Low-profile functionality that looks clean from the outside, slider windows look neat and uncluttered. There are no protruding cranks or hinges, which helps maintain a tidy appearance. Their low-profile design also makes them ideal for areas facing patios, walkways, or landscape spaces where visual flow matters. Because slider windows are easy to operate, homeowners tend to keep them clean and functional. Windows that glide smoothly and look well-maintained contribute significantly to curb appeal, showing passers-by that the home is cared for and thoughtfully updated. Energy efficiency adds invisible value while curb appeal is largely about appearance. Today's buyers and homeowners also appreciate efficiency. Modern slider windows can be designed with energy-efficient glass that helps regulate indoor temperatures. Although this benefit isn't immediately visible, it enhances the overall value of your home and supports a positive impression. Homes that look good and perform well stand out in Sumter's housing market. Slider windows signal that a home has been updated with comfort and efficiency in mind. A smart upgrade with lasting impact. Installing slider windows is a practical way to refresh your home's exterior without overwhelming changes. Their clean design, expansive glass, and customizable options make them a smart choice for homeowners who want noticeable curb appeal with long-term benefits. For Sumter homeowners looking to enhance their home's appearance, slider windows offer a balanced blend of style, simplicity, and value, an upgrade that looks great today and continues to pay off for years to come.